Hey everyone! Do you say things like,
He is go to school.
I very like pizza.
don't worry, you're not the only one? In today's lesson, we'll fix 5 of the most common grammar mistakes that learners make in English, with examples, practice, and even some quiz questions for you. Mistake number 1, confusing he and she. In many languages, pronouns are simpler, but in English, if you mix them up, it can sound funny or confusing. Remember, we use he for a boy
He is smart.
and she for a girl.
She is very beautiful.
Okay, let's practice.
This is my father. She is strong.
This is my father. He is strong.
This is my sister. He is pretty.
This is my sister. She is pretty.
Okay, quiz time.
This is my teacher. He is smart or she is smart? That's right, she. This is my cousin. He is funny or she is funny? That's correct, he.
Mistake number 2, forgetting the S or ES at the end of verbs in the present tense with he, she, and it. This is one of the most common errors because in many languages, verbs never change. In present simple, for he, she, and it, we always add S or ES at the end of verbs.
He goes to school.
She cleans her room.
Let's try some examples.
He drink water every day. He drinks water every day.
She wash her face at night. She washes her face at night.
Okay, quick quiz question. My sister shop at the weekend or my sister shops at the weekend? That's right, shops.
Mistake number 3, using very or really. Many learners say, I very like or I very want, but that's not correct. Remember, very goes with adjectives and really goes with verbs.
My mom really enjoys reading.
The mountain is very high.
Here are 4 sentences, but only 2 answers are correct. Can you spot the correct ones? That's right, it's A and D. Well done.
Mistake number 4, adding am, is, or are before action verbs. Why does this happen? Because many learners confuse simple present and present continuous. For example, in simple present, we would say, I watch TV. But in present continuous, we would say, I am watching TV. Remember, simple present is for habit or a fact, but present continuous is for something happening now. Let's see some examples.
The girl is ride a bike. The girl is riding a bike.
He is skateboard every day. He skateboards every day.
Can you spot the correct answers? That's right, it's B and C. Good job.
And mistake number 5, confusing don't and doesn't. In simple present, we use doesn't for he, she, and it. And we use don't for I, you, we, and they.
Let's see how it works.
He don't like math. He doesn't like math.
She don't want any talking. She doesn't want any talking.
Okay, let's have a quick review of all 5 mistakes. He and she. He is for a boy, and she is for a girl. Forgetting S or ES. In simple present, we always add S or ES at the end of verbs for he, she, and it. Very versus really. We use very with adjectives and really with verbs. To be before action verbs. We can use simple present or present continuous, but we cannot mix them. Don't and doesn't. We use don't for I, you, we, and they. We use doesn't for he, she, and it. So, which mistake do you make most often? Write your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. I hope this helped you, and if you want to keep improving your English step by step, subscribe now.